Hi, I would like to first welcome you and thank you for taking the time to view this demo to showcase the various SQL Server views that ship as part of the MSSQL Power Pack from Lightspeed PM. This is one of a series of demos used to showcase the various features that ship as part of the offering. My name is Alain Abdul Sader, and I will be your guide through this demo. We will start by looking at the availability overview. All the following features are common across views. In the navigation panel, we have the Instances selector, which allows for the selection of instances individually by selecting a group or service. The state column represents the worst severity the element in question is at, based on the triggered alarms. Clicking on the icon will provide a list of alarms. Clicking on any other column will provide options to navigate to the host monitor or to the instance overview dashboard. When multiple instances are selected, the title will display the number of selected instances and the instance column will become visible. Selecting a single instance displays the instance name in the title and hides the instance column. Also available is the search capability, the ability to hide columns, and export the data. The Backup Jobs dashboard lists all the jobs that are used for backups. Backup jobs are found using configurable naming conventions. Looking at backup locations will allow us to explore more features that are common among views. The buttons in the toolbar allow to toggle the various metric values. Clicking on a metric will provide a time plot chart that displays the values over the selected period. The chart can be viewed using any of the metric values. The blocking information dashboard displays the current blocks. Looking at databases will allow us to explore even more features that are common among views. The metrics selector allows you to select the metrics to display. If new metrics were selected, the reset button will restore the metrics to the ones that were displayed at the time the dashboard was first accessed. Clicking the default buttons will display the default metrics assigned to the element being explored. Clicking on the time plot or pie chart icons will allow you to select multiple metrics to plot. By default, metrics are filtered to display only those with data. To display all metrics, click the Show All Metrics button. The chart can be viewed using any of the metric values. The database backup dashboard displays the state of the backup of the various databases. Other views will display the data relative to their names, and we will showcase some of them. The SQL Agent Jobs dashboard provides the information related to the jobs and is worth looking at how it displays the information. The dashboard is divided into two sections. The upper section lists the instances and for each instance the total number of jobs per state. Clicking on any of the totals will update the bottom section and display the jobs that are at that state. This concludes our demo. I hope it was informative, and I thank you again for joining us.